Michael from the Galleria area has a question about a shower sealer.
Yeah, he's worried, Tom, about this spot near where the head comes out, this square hole there, right? Mm-hmm. Michael says, it seems like we should fill in the open spots with some kind of foam sealer. You know, I don't want roaches coming in through it, he says. What do you think?
I think if a roach is coming in, there's going to be somewhere else besides that. But no, you can't seal your house up to keep a bug out.
Okay.
I mean, people try and whatnot. Now, in that case, you have an escutcheon that goes over it. Mm-hmm. The water is going below the shower head, so it's not spraying on it, right?
Sure.
And
but we don't know how tall he is. He might be 7 feet tall and causing the water.
Yeah, but the water's still shooting down. Okay. It's not going up above the shower head. So, quite frankly, it's perfectly fine. If you wanted to caulk it or something just to make you feel better, that's fine. Don't put expandable foam in there. You're going to have a mess on your hands.
That would be a problem.
So, quite frankly, I would just caulk around the escutcheon and push it against the wall, and that'll cover the hole just fine.
Or not. You really don't need to.
No, you just don't. You put a little caulk behind the escutcheon, it'll hold in place and it won't fall forward.
Okay.
It's that little plate that covers the hole.
You think I mean, but if the escutcheon was staying there by itself, you wouldn't necessarily have to.
No, it'd be a strong roach to push it back.
I'm not talking about the roach. I'm saying the hole itself isn't a problem.
No, not at all. He was worried about bugs. People see this stuff, but there's holes in backs of cabinets and walls, behind toilets. There's holes everywhere. If a bug wants to get in, it's going to get in. Just put your chicken bones and stuff in the trash. Keep your house clean and make sure you, watch out for that
frankly, he should focus more on zombie-proofing his sliding patio door. All right. You have questions, we'll help you zombie-proof. Send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them right here or in these videos like that. Or you can subscribe to our channel and be alerted when we post new ones.